Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Fitbit. You click on settings. Here we go to apps. Default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Fitbit and you will click. After that we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Fitbit. And then here we'll update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.